Good morning, everyone. My name is Arnav from grade 6. I study in Irish International School in Maharashtra. Irish International School in Maharashtra. My birthplace is Maharashtra. I love to visit Maharashtra. In Maharashtra has many places like Ellora Caves, Ajanta Caves, and Elephanta Caves. But I shall give a first few words about Maharashtra. Maharashtra is a western and central part of the earth. It is state located of Karnataka, Goa, Telangana, and Chhattisgarh. The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. The Maharashtra second India's second most populated state and most largest state in land area. The Maharashtra has a diverse culture with influence like Buddhist, Sikh, and Christian. The Maharashtra nickname was the Gateway of India. In Maharashtra, there are many places like Ajunta Caves, Ellora Caves, and Elephanta Caves. But I give a few lines about Ellora Caves. Ellora Caves are a United Nations Education, Scientific, Culture Organization World Heritage Site. The cave are complex of 34 monasteries and temples carved out by a basalt cliffs. The cave are a crab, crab between the 6th and 12th century. The cave are a product of three major religions like ancient India, Buddhist, Hinduism, and Jainism. The cave are a prime example of Indian rock cut architecture. The cave are known for their sculpture, reliefs, and architecture. The cave are evacuated during this rule of Rashtrakuta, Yadwas, and Chalukya. The cave were restricted face for pilgrims and place for a worship. These caves were discovered by John Smith, a British official. The Kalves Temple, Cave 16, is the largest 34 monasteries and temples. The cave were unrepeated sequence of 600 to 1000 monuments during the bring to life again the civilization of ancient India. The cave were unrepeated sequence of 600 to 1000 monument because thousand monument. This cave were 34 monasteries and temple extending over 34 extending over 2 kilometers then of in were dug side by side in a wall of a high. Ellora caves were untripped sequence of 600 to 1000 monuments dating 600 to 1000 monuments. Not only Ellora complex, it is Ellora complex is an architect creation or technology but explored with its centuries devoted by Buddhism, Hinduism, and Jainism. It is spirit of tolerance that was characterized of ancient India. Thank you.